Minutes outside Kabul at this camp, some of Afghanistan's most needy are braving a brutal winter. Over 200 displaced families live here without electricity, heat, shoes, proper clothes, and even without blankets. Many, like this old woman, with barely any food. They are alive, but unable to keep the cold at bay.
We can't commit suicide because it's forbidden in Islam. So Allah gives us the power to accept this situation and be patient. There is nothing else we can do.
Temperatures in Kabul have dropped to minus 15 degrees Celsius. At night, everything turns into ice. The already scarce clean water becomes impossible to get to as water pipes freeze. Despite billions of dollars in international aid, Afghanistan remains one of the poorest countries in the world. Poverty and unemployment have been rising in recent years, especially in the Afghan capital, Kabul, further limiting people's access to basic needs like heating. Wood sellers say their business is down at least 20% because people have no money. And forecasts suggest more severe weather is on its way. Afghan authorities say they are prepared to respond to weather-related emergencies by clearing roads and providing aid. But security is a big challenge.
There are some areas of the country which are not safe, where we have people affected by natural disasters and the war. We try to get to them on time, but unfortunately we cannot do that sometimes. Our response takes time, sometimes months.
Back at the camp, the children dig in the snow to find anything that can burn. Oh God, when will these days end? This woman says. Forgotten and helpless, all they can do is wait until the snow melts and spring arrives. Filia Contrafuri, TRT World, Kabul.